This video will teach you how to make a trivia question PowerPoint game. Start with a title and draw one shape in the middle. Click the Insert tab, then Shapes. Select a rectangular shape. Draw the shape and type Start. Edit the text. Change the font color, style, and size. Right-click the space in the slide. Click Format Background. Choose Solid Fill and select the color that you want. Add a new slide. Click on the Start rectangular shape and then click the Insert tab. Click the link icon and select Place in this document. Choose Slide 2 to link to the next slide. Start to type the question. Also, add 2 to 4 shapes for your answers. Select a rectangular shape. You can manually type answers right under the right answer and wrong under the wrong answer. Or you can add new slides to show if the right or wrong answer is selected. You can add animation effects. Click the Animations tab and select the animation you would like. Link your answers to the right answer slide if the answer is correct, while a wrong answer slide if the answer is incorrect. Repeat the process. Link the shape to the trivia slide to go back to the question. Link the shape to the next slide for the next round of questions. Repeat the process. Rearrange the slides. Add a final winner slide at the end. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.